guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Spanish potato omelette. You only need 3 ingredients for this recipe and 10 minutes to spare. This recipe turns out so crispy and so tasty. So let's get started. Firstly, what you have to do is slice the potatoes very thinly. Just like this. And try to make them even. Crack in 3 eggs. Whisk it together. Add salt as per your taste. Add some pepper into it and mix it again. Thinly slice an onion. Add 3 to 4 spoons of oil. Slide your potatoes into the pan. Fry it until tender and golden. Once the potatoes are halfway cooked, slide in your onions into the pan. After about 2 to 3 minutes after it's fully cooked, add in your egg mixture. Top it up with some cheddar cheese. Once it's halfway through, place the plate on top of the pan. This is just an easier way of flipping it over. And now just slide it through the pan. Just like that. I'm using this method to transfer the omelette to the plate after it's fully cooked. To add some flavor to your omelette, garnish it with some fresh mint. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video. The links of the recent videos will be down in the description below, so check them out if you haven't seen them already. See you in the next video. Bye!